See what kind of nonsense here.
Sharpen once you're broken.
You do not want to fight them with a pack of other guys. That's for sure.
Don't move.
Good foot. Finish him. Getting these keys, I don't know if I can. Yes, sir.
You don't cross Blackbeard's men.
Why is that kind of musketeer? Oh, double sergeants. Let's get this fight over.
Don't move.
I'm moving. Oh, I got myself cornered. Go back
You're
over.
under the Blackbeard.
Already cleared all this out. And one more. Oh, the chest. Got a key. Oh, look. See any? Never know what we're going to in here. Let's band-aid. Pirates.
You don't cross Blackbeard's
I
men.
heard some down here. What do we got? What a kill.
One clean shot.
Shot me the logs, guy. Steady. Got a guinea. A guinea. Okay. Broke the jar back here. Inside there. Just don't know if I want to go fight them. Maybe once I finish all this off, I'll go. I don't know if there's loot in there.
You just made this furious.
Oh, I did. Shame. What is that? Unblockable crap. Let's get around behind the girls. Oh, took out your sailor. Stamina. Finisher. Yeah. Let's see. You know. Sparkly ones. Tried, oh, see, tried running through and not killing everything, but I was missing so many of these jars. So many. Alright, let's go in the middle. A couple guys in there, but I think I can take them. Make sure we're all band-aided up. One potion. Totally use my blunderbuss, but I think I'll just run in and kill these.
I will kill ya!
Use the pillar to my advantage. Nope. Fuck. What the hell? Shouldn't be that hard. Keep blocking. Good. Dummy. Alright. Now we gotta open the door. Yeah, I thought so. Don't get to re-loot this treasure. Dang. Sucks. But all the gold bar jars are up there, so there's that. We've been in here and dropped lots of stuff in the corner. I think we'll just pick some up. He's going. Alright. Well, 20 gold bars. That's pretty good. There were chests somewhere. I can't find them. It took those sergeant's keys. Maybe they were down here? Could have swore. Oh, still a guy alive down here.
Prepare to die!
Yeah, they're down here taking a nap. They kept napping, fellas. Swore there was treasure chest or something. Took a key. It's in I'm gonna build a ladder. I feel like oh, it's just around there. Okay. I know. There's one. Nothing in it. Lame. Alright. That note. Back down and teleport back. Dingy. Good. Accomplish the goal. Gold and silver. Replenish. Nice. Need my storage donkey. Yeah, that gold one's better to just kill the guys. That was a hot mess trying not to kill them, that's for sure. Let's see. Gunpowder. Bullets. Good. But while I'm keeping these keys, I don't think we can really make use of them. I don't think so. I don't know. They got guineas. Summon chip. Oh, there. Weird. Probably need to farm some. Speaking of farming, I gotta take care of that.
Roots aren't fast, but they're steady.
Bird meat.
Improvement is never linear.
No. Apparently I might want to use this coffee bean, sugar cane. Spicy chicken sweep. It's 2 chicken per. Wait, no. Spicy. 2 chicken per. Really get better. Look in the garden. Turn over the crops. Tons of flax. Alright, let's see. Oh, I know why. Because I didn't have the whole thing planted. Chop him. Make this look nicer. Hello.
Hey,
How's it going?
better than yesterday.
Yeah. Get your AC fixed?
Yeah.
Einar's not on an HG's rating, so I just I went and ransacked. Oh, the game just kicked me out.
Uh-oh.
The heck?
I just joined.
That happened the other day when Einar joined. Did it let you in?
Nope. Put me back in the main menu.
Yeah, let me check this server. I just restarted it before I started playing. It's weird. I heard somebody say that there's a memory leak of some kind in the server. Yeah, it's not running. Well, fired up. After you got off last night, HG had to do something on Palia, so I had installed it, hopped on there real quick, but it took forever just because of I logged in for the first time and who knows how long, and all the villagers came, to talk to you. I was like, just kept having to talk to one person after
That's the
another.
most annoying fucking thing ever. Like, get off of my property. Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you fuckers.
Once I finally got through it all, I was like, oh, there's, I had to look around and see where I was at.
Yeah, and then you have a million mail. You have a bunch of mail and rewards to collect and all this other bullshit. It's dumb.
All right, fired it back up. That was weird. This is up. They've got Twitch drops over there, so I might play some. I don't know. Stream it. Get some viewers from the Twitch drop.
On what? Palia?
Yeah.
I know they did Twitch drops.
Yeah. I put a fast travel right by the shipwreck that has the silver barrels, so we could easily go get it. Oh, it kicked me back out to the main menu.
They didn't let me in either.
It's grayed out. Go check it again. What the heck is going on? It's down. Let me. I'm gonna restart this.
Yeah, I'm gonna quit game and go back to the desktop.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the heck is. What? Did it restart? Let's see this. All right, restarted the computer. We'll see. Okie dokie. Fired back up. I might have to restart that host machine daily with the server.
I clicked on connect. Let's see if it works.
No, I'm just trying to. I'm trying to figure out a secondary backup game. People aren't on or playing or. All right, let me in. So.
Oh, I guess I'm not far behind you then.
All right. Ready to plant some crops. All right, kick me out. Oh, son of a gun! This is not good.
What?
You just kicked me out.
Why won't it let me play?
Maybe hold on. I'll let you get in first and see what happens. But bet you it killed the server. I don't know why. I don't know where their log files go.
Let's see if it'll let me in my own game.
Well, I was just in here. It's the server's shut down. Not sure why it's crashing. Or I'll let you know when it should be good. Okay, says it's up.
Alright, hold on.
I'm gonna watch the log while you're logging in to see what it says.
I see the main menu right now. Hey, let me in my own game.
Yeah, I don't think it was. See.
I just click connect.
Oh no. There was a new Windows security window that was popping up when one of us tried to connect. I just told it to allow. The restart of the computer must have done something. I don't know why I was killing the server though. Alright. Windows no. Messing things up. Did it let you in?
Oh, main menu.
I thought it let you in. Or did it let you in and kick you out?
I didn't see anything other than loading screen.
Well, that's poo poo. Okay, try again. The game client didn't update today, did it? No, because I was just in there just fine. Well, it wasn't. It kicked me out. Still nothing?
Hold on. Loading.
Yeah, I love how long that loading screen.
Yeah. Gotta load every blade of grass. Still loading. Probably gonna kick me out.
You say it still didn't work?
No, I'm still loading, so it's probably gonna kick me out. But I'll let you know here in a second whenever
Well,
it figures it out.
I stayed connected to the server box just to watch right now. Dune Awakening is hitting console in September, apparently. That'll probably up their numbers.
Yeah, for a little while.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, longest loading screen ever. Cue the Jeopardy music.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me. It says you're in, but you're not in.
Loading screen. It's fine. I just
Right now, the server doesn't network prompts. Got Windrose allowed. Those firewall. I was just on here. Dang it. What the? I'm gonna close my game out as well. Said you already did that?
Yeah, I'm verifying files right now.
It's on the servers. Trying it again. Hold it to server sees activity this time. The last time when we tried to connect, it just wasn't doing anything. It wasn't seeing anything. Is that a bunch? Still says it's loading. Hey, I'm in. Wow.
Starting the game back up. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't kick you out again. Otherwise, I might have to restart my computer or something.
Well, I don't think, again, if it does it, I don't think it's on your end. Be something with the server. Error. Export. Are you connecting?
Loading in right now.
Okay. Yeah, the game server started going crazy. Like a lot of stuff. Which, so I'm like, yeah. And it crashed.
I just force closed my game. I'll be right back. Hold on.
That's crazy. I'll let you try and get in first. Issues. Welcome back.
How about now?
I can hear you now.
Okay.
Logging in.
Put in the game first. Loading in now.
Yeah. Saw the log start spinning. Nope. Server just crashed.
Jesus Christ.
Um,
Restart it one more time so that does it. Oh.
I'm gonna use Steam and verify the files for the dedicated server. I can't. Also, go find up game. Verifying files. Is there validate? Yeah, I'll restart it one more time. It goes so fast, I can't see it. It has some sort of error, and then find the log file. I'm sure I can find the log files. Probably won't understand it in the log files, but I might be able to.
He's not even letting me in my own game now.
That's weird.
Loading screen.
Okay. Post P back up. Alright, the server is up. Here. I think. Let's see. Okay, player state. Player state. Okay. Leroy. Client. Server log. All right, let me get here. Error. R5 check. Reward level less than current. Progress. Lambda error. Entry. Hmm. Player value. Exception. Unknown function. You. Hmm. Warning. Status. New game. Multiple.
Not fine.
Login window
Not
error.
fine.
App error called fatal error. Server will be stopped due to data inconsistency.
Did it back up?
Yeah, server's up. I'm just looking through I found the log file.
On the game back up right now. I went through the verifying and close it all out. Made sure no other programs were running background or whatever, and fucking literally just Discord and Windrose. Let me in. No fun pirating by yourself.
Nope.
Not even get an eye patch or a friggin' bird.
It is still early access, don't you know?
Yeah, I'll do a long ass quest for a pet bird to sit on my shoulder. I don't care.
Me too. Ready?
Mm.
Nope. Crashed. It said something about data inconsistency. You didn't put any mods on, did you?
No.
I say because those have to be on the client and the server. I mean, yeah, whatever server you're running on and your end device. Hmm. Heck. They have to open a bug ticket with them. What the heck? It let me in. Ooh.
Can you go into the files and delete my character or whatever? My character save file or something like that? Maybe
Oh
that'll help.
no,
My Googling said that it might be a corrupted character save file.
yeah, let me log out. It's funny because when the dang game loads up and everything, resource memory leak detector, detect memory leak, memory leak suspected. Like, let me exit and see if I can do that. Hello. Having some issues with the game. I am hosting the server and one of our players, every time they connect, it's kicking everyone out and it's like shutting down the server. It's so weird. Where did it say the character files? Windrose dedicated server. Save. Save
Mm-hmm.
profiles. Default. Rocks. We have worlds. What's the player file?
I don't know. I said maybe like a member or a player ID dot save SAV file maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what my player ID is.
Well, I need to find this. Where does Windrose dedicated servers save profiles? The main directory. Save profiles. Default. RocksDB v2. Game version worlds. World ID. So then got a bunch of all SST file. Very interesting. Looking for player local. Hmm. Hmm. See if there's anything on their Discord server about this server crash. good. It meets what we have. Air game, not a server. Uh, and I can't tell what the actual. I mean, I'm in the folder that it says, but I don't know how to tell these like what SST file is. Let's see. Stored. The player character data on a dedicated server isn't stored on the server. It's only the world data. That's why I'm not seeing any save files. Only SST. Um. So the network and firewall stuff should be okay. I made sure I allowed it in the Windows firewall because it gave that prompt. What else? Disable a firewall. settings of this box. Set them to default. But just in case, I'll check. Yeah, I have to Google DNS. When your game is at the main menu, what game version does it say you have at the top?
I'm loading back up. Hold on.
Not that it should be any different.
I'm trying to find the friggin' local app data on mine, but I can't. R5. Where does it say that?
Huh?
Where does it say the game? The game.
At the very top when you're at the main menu. It's kind of small.
Oh. 0.10.0.6.213 F90B3 BC1.
Yeah, that's what mine is. So you're going to, if you go to your C drive, users, username, app data, which is a hidden file, if you have your hidden file shown. Local,
Hold on.
arf.
Fuck, I don't want to delete my character.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't either. Save games. It's enhanced input users. Save profiles, and that's gonna be your save profile. Someone else reporting another issue or the same thing. People haven't given an actual helpful response. One person said your friend is the answer to stopping the machines. Uh,
Well, I found my character ID at least.
Mount ID, blah, blah, state, wait, blah, blah. So then, get down here. It says, for process, all character. Then start giving the, let's see. So it says open server lobby, blah, blah. Further, okay, error. Lambda underscore error. So it says entity progression center validation progression less than lambda 4. I don't know what that means. If Google does. Here. Hmm. It's stupid that it's crap. One. Oh, one. So it says the error blah 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 number that I put in here is typically an Unreal Engine based networking or backend time code, often caused by version mismatches or server communication dropouts. Back and verify game integrity, which you did. Check for updates and client and friend version. Let's see. Propertios. This gives the app ID and the build ID, but not in the same respect as to what we have on our computers. Let me see what this says. Windrose running app ID. Well, the dedicated server is not the same app. They both have the same update day, but the app ID and the build number are different because dedicated server is different. I wonder how to make sure that that's the same. Huh. Okay. Let's see. crash that occurs when your character's save data becomes corrupted. Commonly happens between servers with different XP or progression multipliers, causing an inconsistency in your character's reward levels. So the fact that you're playing your character in two servers is part of what's caused the.
Lovely.
Try these solutions, starting with the most effective fix for this. Set local save data fastest. Those Windrose completely disable Steam Cloud saves in the game's properties within your library. See, hold on. Horrible formatting. 1 second. Might get easier to read, but then you'll want to. Or this was my search. Might be able to get the same result. If your server host uses the Windrose Plus mod, you can easily repair your progression. Locate the Windrose Plus settings in the function. Fix your corrupted save file. Hello, Skull King. Troubleshooting a hosted server issue. One of our play group plays between different servers, and so what happened was their player file got corrupted, so every time they were trying to connect, it was crashing the server and kicking me out. So the first one says just create a backup of your file. You have to turn off the Steam Cloud saves and then create a new character real quick. And then you close the game and re-enable the Steam Cloud saves, and then when it should prompt you that you have a save conflict and download your save.
I'm trying to find something like a cloud save from yesterday that I can just use as a backup or something. I don't know where to find
Yeah.
that shit.
I don't know. Cloud saves are. Let me. Yeah, because it says keep game saves in the Steam Cloud for Windrose, but where it puts that, or if you actually even have access to it. Like I the if you back up your file on your local save, delete it, but you gotta turn off the Steam Cloud first. Then when you if you follow those 5 steps, that's kind of doing what you're talking about. where you're gonna delete the local file after. Okay, so let me step back through. You're going to turn off the cloud saves first. Delete your local file. You go create a new character. You don't have to do anything with it real quick. And then when you close the game and re-enable the use Steam Cloud version, then it should prompt you to basically correct your save file because it'll be out of sync. Early access issues, don't you know?
Hmm.
There's apparently a Windrose Plus mod, but I don't know about that one. I haven't modded the server at all. I don't know if that's only available to that G Portal provider, because that's where they're loaded. Enable Windows Plus interface and share function. It's on GitHub. It's not on websites. Hmm. I wonder if Nexus has it. Hmm. Well, okay. Well, I can't. Nexus mods isn't true. Their website must be having an issue because it's not loading. Yeah, I don't want to download a mod off of GitHub. You gonna try resetting your file?
I gotta figure out what the game ID for
Where the
Windrose
server
is.
is?
No, for the Windrose.
Huh?
So I found where the cloud saves are at, but they're hidden behind just a bunch of numbers.
Oh, well, hold on. Your game ID is this. So if you right click on Windrose in Steam, under properties, there's updates. Your app ID and build ID are this here. That,
Wait, what?
hold
You
on.
what? You right click what?
Right click. Um, so you're gonna right click on Windrose in Steam, and then under when the properties at the bottom, you get the properties window, and then there's a second option is updates. That's where it shows you your app ID. That's going to be the game ID. That should be, anyways. And then the current build of it.
04 1230. Got it. Okay, so what the fuck do I do with this?
I don't know. I didn't look up the cloud save thing. I looked up how to turn them. Basically, the thing was having you turn it off, delete your local save so that it doesn't mess up your cloud save. And then you create a new character so that the game has a character file and all that there. And then when you turn on the cloud saves again, it says, "Hey, I need to sync up," and then it replaces your local save file from your cloud save. You do it that way. Where did you find how to change cloud save?
Gemini. That didn't help.
I don't know why. I mean, did you log into your other game since we played last night?
Yeah, I was on it earlier, but now I
Hmm.
can't get back in it.
On your other game?
Yeah, no, I can get I don't think
So
anything.
I wonder. So there are timestamp. Hold on. There are time-stamped backups of your save file.
Where?
Okay, so you're gonna go to your My Computer C drive, users, your user profile, of course, app data,
Mm-hmm.
uh, train of thought,
Local low.
local low, right? That's where we were before. No, we weren't there before. It was. local R5
Or R5.
saved. Save profiles. It's gonna have your thing. Now there's the backups. Players. That should be your player. I only have
I
one
have
in there.
two. I have a one. Oh, here, hold on.
Have you created? Yes, yeah.
Me go delete my level 1, so I only have one.
So the weird thing is this is using. I think it's using like the UTC timestamp because it's already saying June 3rd for my latest backup. But
Ah, fuck. Does it have older ones in there?
yeah, so mine has latest, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 9 different ones. Probably looks like each time I logged in, maybe. Or something. Maybe when you teleport or something, it creates a backup. I had 7 p.m. today, 7:15 p.m., 7:26, 7:35. It might actually be doing it every 10 minutes. 9 minutes, actually. It's every 9 minutes ish. I think while you have the game loaded, it's every 9 minutes. And then the latest is your latest, so you could go back and look at when you last were in the game.
Yeah, so I go to my character, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 backups.
Right? And then latest, you have 10 and then latest, or 10 in total.
10 total.
Oh, okay, yeah, I do too. I miscounted. So you can see the timestamp in. So the universal time is the name, right? That's why it seems a little off to me. Cause like some of them say that they're on the UTC. So it's the game version, the date using the year first, then it's the timestamp. So it's actually 0400 was one of my because that's universal time. So you just look at your date modified for your local time and you have the date
Alright,
modified row on.
so what do I do with it?
When was your
I'm just gonna go back to my oldest one, which is today at 4:59, 4:49, and see if that works.
okay? So you should be able to take. This is the backups. You should be able to take the player one, whatever one it is. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
whatever one you want to do, copy it. Let me know when you Control C copy, right?
Yep.
Go back folders until you get back to where you see the Rocks DB V2. You know, the same one
Yep.
where you're going to back. Go into that one.
Paste.
You're going to the one that's not the backup. Then the 10, or whatever version number players. Now, this one that's got the letters and numbers, that long thing. Your game is closed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Rename the one that has all that gook. Just, I don't know. I mean, worst case scenario,
Inside of players, the very next folder.
yeah. Yeah, you're going to rename that. Because then if you go in there, you can see all of your STS file, all your stuff. That's all the files for your profile.
Okay.
So I would rename that to dot back or something, dash backup, whatever. Paste the other file in there. Although I think it was a zip file, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to unzip it, of course. And then you'll need to modify the name of the folder to take off all the extra date crap so that it ends with the same
Paste it,
characters.
then unzip it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can unzip it here. You can end up getting rid of the zip file after, but
But don't paste it in where I just named it backup. Just
no,
paste it.
no, no. Because it has to be in this folder, in the players folder. because that's your actual player folder. That's all the files for your player.
All right. Extract all.
And then when you extract all, it should just be the folder, right? That has the same name plus the timestamp.
It just says checkpoint.
Uh, check. Hold on. Let me go into mine and do it. Can't see what. And
But
backups.
it opened what was in that file. Now it's I have in that with the dot backup I have the zip file and then an unzip file of that same googly gook.
Checkpoint. Yeah. So how? Yeah, that's not gonna work. That
Shared checksum. Yeah.
well, that stuff looks like. Hold on. You might have to take the stuff out of checkpoint. So no, gotta make it so hard. Like, I don't know if there's a way to restore from backup.
The shared checksum there is. You go into Windrose on Steam and you go into properties and uh, installed files, and then you create a backup of installed files to restore this game in the future or whatever, and then you just back up game files, and you have to. Or no, that's what the hell.
Well, hold on. So
Well, I figured if I get all that information into the other folder, because I click on meta, it's got blob and then a bunch of numbers, current, identity lock, manifest, options.
so
If I just post all that from checkpoint into the other one, then it should work.
you got to take the blob file, all the stuff from checkpoint. So like, there's manifest. Hold on.
Yeah, meta just has something named one. I think that's the blob file.
I don't know. And there's private.
And shared checksum has everything in there, so. Oh, no, shared checksum has a blob file.
Yeah.
So everything
Private has a
from
folder called one that has a log, current, manifest, and options.
cut that and put it in.
But the weird thing is that the options folder thing here checks on blob folder. But that's weird though, because all the STS files and stuff have different names than what's in my current folder. Hold on. Almost gotta be a way to have it pull from the backup.
That. And then go back in checkpoint. I did private.
How to restore your local save. Follow steps, locate your save folder. We did that in the box. There's your timestamp backups. Select to restore point. Pick a backup folder from 8 times corrupted. Copy the data inside the backup. Copy both a version folder and the account description JSON file. I don't even see those.
I don't see a JSON file.
Yeah, me neither.
Zero six six nine six.
Yeah, there's no JSON file. This is where AI sucks. The 10. There is no 10 folder.
The 10 folder is what we got into. The 0.10.0. We clicked
Yeah.
on that, and then we got 2 accounts, players and worlds.
Oh, so our but yeah, we did that in the Rocks DBV2. However, access your backup, select resource, copy the data, then set the backup, copy the version. See, it's saying that we're supposed to see that in the backup, and it's not there. Not there. Hmm.
I mean, worst case scenario, I'll just make a new character. Fuck it.
I still, yeah. Because your Steam save will probably have the mismatch progress. I don't understand. I mean, unless Einar hasn't been going back to the other one. Oh, HG apparently didn't go well.
Game's not loaded. Yeah, my character's fucked. I'm just gonna make a new one.
Before you do that, dude, why not just try the 5-step thing that I sent you? I mean, it's you couple toggle something, you delete the file, create a new character real quick, which you were talking about doing anyways. Turn on the cloud sync and let it.
Reset local save game, close Windrose completely, and disable cloud saves in the game's properties.
Yeah, so you go to your game properties by right clicking on it, and then Right.
Enable Steam
Yep. Steam
overlay.
Cloud. No, it's the second toggle. There's keep game saves in
Turn
cloud.
that
You
off.
turn that off.
Navigate on your PC
You're gonna
to.
go
Oh.
back into that RocksDB folder.
Oh.
Now you already renamed it to .back, right? There and there's no other. If you make sure there's no other one in there, okay, in your RocksDB 10 folder with players, that one that's a .bak, it's gonna ignore it now. So as long as that's ignored and there's no thing in there, you can load the game with the cloud save off. A local game, create a new character.
Create a backup of your saved profiles folder, then delete the original.
We already did that. Except for we just renamed it, we didn't copy it.
Oh, I created a backup of the actual character, not the save profiles folder.
You did what?
I created a backup of the actual character inside the DB folder. This says to create a backup of your whole save profiles folder.
Okay. You can do that.
Copy. And delete the original. Launch the game.
This may or may not work, but it's worth trying before the other extreme.
Create a new character, then close the game. Enable Steam. It didn't ask me to use Steam Cloud version.
Did you create a character already?
Mm-hmm. Closed it and then launched it again. We'll see what happens. Well, there's my character.
Yeah.
Gotta join my brand new solo world. See if it'll let me.
Well, don't do that. They just try and join the server and see what it does.
Oh, I want to crash the server again.
It don't matter. It's just. I mean, it just shuts it down because it detects a mismatch. I mean, so and it's it's not a crash. It's shutting down because it's like probably a way to try and stop exploiting.
Intruder.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Shooting requires bullets and gunpowder.
Fires bullets and gunpowder?
Yeah,
What?
it's not loading.
Yeah, server's not acting like anything. Do something.
Gonna crash. What
No.
character is corrupted?
Apparently, somebody tried to tank the raid in a medium build. Great sword and flail and
Noob.
dumb.
Mhm. Mm. Oh my God. Wait. Connecting to the server. I know if
Nope,
it crashes.
it just did.
Yep. I'll make a new character. Fuck it.
Well,
There.
shoot.
It's better than not playing at all.
Yeah, that's messed up.
Yep. I had multiple ships. I had a bunch of fucking good shit.
So you were able to load it into a uh.
What?
So here's what I'm gonna get at. You were able to load it into a different game, right? Just not like you created a new save with that character and it worked okay, starting a new game.
No.
Oh.
No. The character's fucked.
Oh, so it didn't let you
No,
um
a brand new save. It wouldn't even load. It gets stuck on a loading screen.
oh,
I had to force close it.
okay.
So I'm just gonna delete it and
That yeah. I mean some farming, but obviously the quest part, the getting the stuff back is not that difficult. Just it's a little bit of time.
it's a lot of time. 60 hours worth of time.
Well, not as long if we, you know, plow through stuff. Getting the like you cause you can I don't think that let me see. Pretty sure there's like no requirement for gear, so you can like juice yourself up pretty quickly. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's messed up. It totally just let me in.
Yeah, right away.
Yeah. Damn.
Any part is world my wife and I were playing on as fuck too.
Alright, having these server issues has kind of killed the stream. Cut it here.